Welcome to the mini case studies. You can learn about KFC's campaign in the UK, FCK story. In 2018, KFC changed its distributor to DHL. But this partnership did not do well. This led to a nationwide shortage of KFC chicken, resulted in KFC losing 750 outlets temporarily. KFC wants a fix to the issue through an apology in print media. They wanted it to be sincere and true to the brand's voice, so they came up with the word fuck. The anagram emblazoned on the side of the chicken bucket. Why did they do that? Which caught people's attention before the apology note? Subscribe for more. See you next video.